What's up, y'all?
What's up, Green Fam? How y'all doing today?
I got my hat on, so you know what time it is, right? You know what we about to eat, right?
We got that seafood. We got that seafood. Y'all look at all that juice in there. That sauce in the bottle. We got that seafood boil going on today. I'm sticking to my bag routine.
Yeah, we got crabs, we got corn on the cob, we have potatoes, we have shrimp, got water.
I forgot I was going to put some cucumbers too. Where my eggs?
I'm gonna get that right now.
We got eggs too. We always forgetting something. So we got everything and always forgetting something. Woo! Y'all, it's hot. Y'all know it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It smells so good. Y'all wish y'all could smell it. I say that all the time, but for real though.
Got your, okay, you got that. Okay, we got boiled eggs. Got boiled eggs, y'all.
Yeah, I thought he opened the eggs. He didn't even open the eggs.
Do that right now. What's the problem? Ain't no big deal.
Supposed to be a team.
Yeah, well, I was cooking up the potatoes and stuff, so
You only wanted mashed potato.
wanted something different.
Look how small these shrimp went. It's so hot. Ooh.
Throw this egg in the bag, y'all. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Hit us up at greenfam20@gmail.com. We appreciate y'all.
You know that means it's good. I'm getting my dance. Oh my goodness, y'all. Y'all like it better if we take it out the bag so you see it better?
I didn't know what it is. You can see it through the bag.
Oh. Y'all see all this steam? Y'all, that's so good. Yeah, he ain't want no potatoes.
I'm about to tear this bag up in a minute. Straight up.
So he made himself some mashed potatoes.
I'm trying to be all cute.
It should take your time with stuff.
Stop shaking the table.
That's what I get, trying to help you.
You took your time and thank you. All right.
My fingernail went all the way back.
You all right?
It hurt. I'm alright. I'll survive.
So what y'all eating tonight, y'all? What y'all got good to eat?
Y'all see I got my tropical dress on. I was hoping our tropical background come, which is brown. So we could be in the island, pretend we in the island somewhere eating crab and shrimp and Alexa.
They must be backed up with that because you ordered that like last week.
What, a week before? Y'all, you know how you be ordering from them little places you shouldn't be ordering from. But they had a good sale, so I was just like...
Yeah, but you might get it, what, Christmas? I stick to Amazon or them big name outfits.
Stuff I ordered from Amazon I already got after I ordered that, but what can you do? It's done now. Only thing I saw y'all was sale, and I'm like, oh, let me get it. But that's my bad.
Well, I'm like that most of the time, but
y'all need to help your girl. I need to stop. I need to stay offline.
Why you say that?
Cause you want to order everything since you be in the house, right?
Not me. I'm not like that.
Oh well, that's you. I was gonna say you ain't a woman, but there's some men that act like that too.
That's true. You right.
I ordered my first wig, y'all.
Okay, that's right. All right.
I'm waiting for that to come. But then I ordered one, and then they kept sending me deals for all these other ones. Man, I was gonna buy a lot. My daughter was like, "You don't even wear them. Just wait till you get the first one and see how you do with that one." Oh shoot!
A lot of people wearing wigs. When I go to the grocery store, like maybe 2 or 3 days a week, they got their little hat on. You see that all dark hair. Tell it's a wig. And I know nobody getting their hair done unless you live in Georgia. But I could tell a lot of people got them wigs
You can tell
on.
they got wigs on?
Yeah. Nobody here is that black. It's shiny black.
Yes, it is the people that got the wigs on. The hair from to make the wig.
Well,
They hear that shiny and black.
A lot of women wearing baseball caps and masks. That's a wig.
So what?
I'm not mad at that.
People ain't getting their hair done. They hadn't been able to. Some shops still sneaking and open around here though.
Yeah, some shops. You're going to always have that, though.
So,
Yeah, you're going to always have that.
yeah, so they still able to, some people still able to get their hair done. Y'all.
Yeah, but that wig help out. It helps out.
Yeah, because I've been wearing braids, y'all, for like, what, a year now?
Something like that.
A little over a year. To protect my hair a lot. And now I can't even get my hair braided. I don't know what to do with my hair no more.
Ponytail, keep it moving. Do some water on it, you good.
What I always do. You know, you want something different sometimes. So, I'll be sporting my wigs. But they need to stop sending me on these deals and stuff.
Well, you know how the internet do, though, Bo. When you go on one site for wigs, then they keep showing you wig ads.
I'm like, oh my God, I never seen this many wig ads. That's because I bought one too.
Cause I went on the internet for some sneakers, and then I get sneaker stuff in my feed.
All the time.
A lot of sneakers and stuff like that. Sneaker sites.
Hi to our new subscribers. Thanks for subscribing. New fan. This butter's so good, y'all.
I'm gonna slow myself down with the crabs today. It's not a rush. I'm gonna take my time, y'all. Straight up. I be dogging these crabs, so I'm gonna slow down. I'm gonna enjoy it.
I put extra in yours too.
Hey, you looked out. Got a bag full of crabs.
Because I know how you do. So you have enough. What y'all eating tonight? What y'all, do y'all make drinks? Like, what's a good drink? Put it in the comment below. Like I like fruity drinks. I don't even drink. Even if it's virgin. Why am I sitting all the way back here? Let me know.
Yeah, you had a drink last week, right? Didn't we have a drink last week? A shot?
Oh, we had a shot. Oh, yeah, you did too.
Mm-hmm. I had some vodka.
I don't know what I had. They had me having a shot.
I had one shot. And then, oh no, 2 shots, and then
I actually
pretty much took a shower and went to bed.
You was done?
I was feeling nice. I don't be drinking like that, not no more.
Oh, God.
I used to go in, but that was when I was in my 20s.
Yeah. I would never drink. I can't drink. I can't hold nothing. No matter how I try. Ooh. I know I tried. Woo.
Yeah, that's good right here. Yeah.
Look at all that crab meat in there, y'all. That's what I'm talking
I
about.
ain't finished it yet. So you all in my plate. I'm not even finished eating.
He would have left there. He
What,
wouldn't
all this right here? No, I wouldn't have.
You wouldn't even look at that. I didn't need a plate like that. I just looked over and just saw all that crab meat. As usual. Ooh, it's so hot.
That's better right there.
Yeah, you know it's better. You got the meat out.
Plus, I'm taking my time today. You know, I'm not rushing.
Okay, bro.
Enjoying my food.
Take your time.
Yeah, there's no rush, you know.
I made the sauce a little different today.
Still good.
It's still good though, y'all. Butter, garlic, lemon. I put a little Cajun seasoning. Woo! No, mine's so hot. Are you getting down? That was good. You got corn hot too?
Mm-hmm. I see they talking about your guy in North Korea, huh? The leader. Saying he might be,
Deceased?
yeah,
What's his name?
Kim Jong-un or Kim Jong-il.
Kim Jong-il?
I think his father was Kim Jong-il. He's Kim Jong-un. Either way, the leader from North Korea is going through some things, y'all.
Kim Jong-un. Oh. Sorry to hear that.
Yeah, well, I'm not going to say I'm sorry to hear that, because
I know you're not.
that dude, his country, he rules on fear and starvation politics. Once they starvation politics, most of the people in this country are hungry, starving,
Really?
so they can't fight back. You ain't thinking of no revolution when you hungry, so
So he starved the people?
pretty much.
And then who's going to take over? The sister?
Yeah, the sister probably gonna take over.
Hopefully she won't be as mean as him.
We'll see what happens. Plus, dude killed a bunch of people. I ain't.
Oh yeah, he killed his own brother.
Yeah, so I don't feel nothing for him and his uncle.
They say he killed his brother in front of a lot of people. Right at the airport.
Mm-hmm.
It is what it is.
Dude take care of his military for the most part, so so they won't turn on him.
So, yeah, I'm telling you. I got to stay off the internet.
All right, getting back to your wigs, and
I got to stay off the internet.
you got some good price. You got a good price on your wig.
It was on sale, yeah. And then all the wigs they sending me, they got good prices.
Okay.
But my daughter, right, if I get it in and then I don't know how to put it on, I'm gonna look like a fool.
Yeah, if she get that wig and it look fly, she gonna be right back on the internet ordering another wig.
They got everything on there on sale, y'all know. Not just wigs.
You know how the retailers do when them they know we got a little money or people get their little checks, stimulus checks.
I was like, oh my God. Stay off the internet. Well, you know they get you through Facebook and stuff, so
That too.
yeah. I gotta stay off there on Instagram. So I gotta stay off there. They got some of everything on sale.
Now I did buy myself some sneakers, y'all. It was on sale, so I jumped on them.
Y'all see that in Atlanta? Is that true? Them pictures I was seeing, all them people with the beauty at the nail salon. Is it that serious? Is it really that serious? They had pictures. They had shower curtains.
Mm-hmm.
You saw it?
Land off the hook.
They had shower curtains up, and people getting their stuff done. They was getting tattoos too with masks on. I was just like, wow, that's crazy.
I hope they be all right in Atlanta, but
They didn't even hit their peak.
they're not practicing social social distancing. Nah.
I was just like, oh my God! I figured people would stay in the house,
Well, you know, people
go in the restaurant, everything.
people want to look fly. People want to look good, so they getting their nails, feet, hair, everything done.
Learn how to do your own feet and nails.
The thing is, it ain't just us either. It's everybody. all the people in Atlanta. Blacks, whites.
I saw just us. It was a line outside the nail place. A line around the corner. It was that serious, once
I
again.
don't see that. I didn't see that one.
I sent it to you. We're gonna look at it. That's what you get. You don't look at my stuff, huh? That I sent you.
No, I saw something with it. There was a couple of people was standing outside and had masks on their face and they was getting taken care of, but
It was a line, y'all. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. I learned how to do my own. Well, I don't ever like going in places anyway.
I know. You ain't really with all that.
I just do my own. I order my own kit, everything. Got my own little kit. You be coming out with fungus and all that crap on your toes, and my girlfriend had talked me into doing it a couple times. I don't like it. I don't think they clean their stuff right. All I want to say is that they don't really care about.
So Jokers is around the corner waiting to
It
get
was
service.
a line, yeah. Waiting to get service, get their nails and toes and feet done. Wasn't hair, nothing. It was just nails. They probably ordered them wigs I got. To each his own, but I'm just saying to my people, is your life really worth it?
Well, a couple of people open up restaurants. They said they're using everything paper products. And they're gonna set people 6 feet apart. Yeah.
But what about the waitress? She can't put your food down 6 feet apart. She can't put.
They're gonna have some kind of system.
Still can't be 6 feet apart.
They're gonna have some kind of system.
How's she gonna take your order? How's she gonna put your food on the table?
I don't know. But they got some kind of system they're gonna do.
They gonna roll a cart, push them, push it down.
They got some kind of system they're gonna use.
They gonna roll the cart and push it down the aisle. That with the motorcycles. I don't know if you have to hear that, y'all. Our neighbor. I don't know what the heck he be doing. But that's ridiculous. All day long. With that motorcycle.
Across the street? Across the
It's
street,
right
right?
there. No.
Not,
It's right there. Not right next door, across. Right there.
okay.
See? He just go started and then he stopped it. Like, what are you doing? Are you trying to annoy people? I don't get it.
He don't think he's annoying anybody.
To start and stop all the time with your motorcycle? Come on.
I'm sure he'd do more than just start it and stop it. Probably, he might be going somewhere in a few minutes.
You need to warm
Want to make sure it
you
starts.
need to warm your motorcycle up in 70-degree weather.
He want to make sure it starts. So I don't know.
He just came back. Stop making them stuff. Oh shoot! It ain't a car. You gotta warm it up. Well, I don't know. Maybe you do warm up motorcycles, but oh no. Do you warm up motorcycles? Yeah.
I don't think so.
What was it, like 70 degrees or 60 something today? It's nice out today.
60 something.
It's nice out here today, y'all. I'm happy. I went and sat on the porch. And everybody walking around with no mask on. Everybody. I ain't seen not one person walking with a mask on. So, oh well.
You know, a lot of people believe in that mess about the weather's real warm.
They don't believe that. They know it's in
Then
California.
Don't worry about it in our neighborhood. We had a warm day today. Nobody got a mask on.
They had one on yesterday. They don't wear them. Then I saw this pregnant lady walk by. I'm like, oh my God. And she was walking with 3 other people. People starting to visit people. They ain't listening. So, Don't come to my house.
Well, that's them. That's how they get down.
You ain't getting in.
We ain't going to nobody else.
I ain't going to your house. Don't come to my house.
I go to the store and I come home at that.
Hey, y'all supposed to be our grandson baby shower today. So sad.
Yeah, what's up, Erica? Christopher.
Hey, Erica, okay. This for CJ. We're partying for CJ.
They got, you said they got their mattress for the crib.
Oh yeah. They got everything but CJ.
Are they good to go then?
Oh yeah. I wish yeah, that's sad though. Now we're gonna have to see the baby through
Glass or whatever.
FaceTime. When we gonna be able to hold the baby and see the baby?
That's gonna be a couple months.
He gonna be walking. Talk about who y'all?
Sure, baby's born now. When they come home from the hospital, they gotta wear what, a face shield, some kind of mask of their own.
In the hospital. Why you got to try this?
This is the new normal, y'all.
Ooh, look at that butter.
Man, I'll tell you.
Oh.
Good.
Look at that butter on my hand. Oh no. It's so good. I ain't letting all this sauce go to waste, butter sauce. I could probably make some noodles, right, y'all? You know what? I'm gonna leave the shrimp with the sauce and I'm gonna make some noodles. That's what I'm gonna do.
Noodles, shrimp, and sauce. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, that'll work.
You don't eat noodles though.
What you mean? I've been eating a lot of stuff since I've been home. You know,
Yeah, you may eat potatoes and stuff.
the virus.
But yeah, all the sauce and you put some noodles in, that's gonna be good. Don't feel that just dripping. Oh man, that's getting cloudy. Weather just off the hook.
Is that Webbo?
How weather?
Oh, the weather?
It's annoying. Not that I'm that I could go anywhere anyway. But still.
Well, at least it was sunny today.
And I got to go on the porch, but you just hot in here in the rain too. But I think it's supposed to rain the rest of the week, so I don't know. Where that other corn at, y'all? Ooh, let it sip up in that juice. You want some lemon? I got some lemon over here.
I'm good.
I want some lemon.
Oh, man.
I got a thing for this too. I keep every time. Never fails.
That's the time what, bro?
I keep forgetting to bring it over here. I don't know why. I took my time today, tried to make sure I had everything. And I still forget. It just don't make no sense.
Well, yeah, we about to wrap this up.
I'm sorry, but it's so good. I ain't even know. I don't even know what time it is. What's what? just into it.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment.
And hit that notification bell so you can be notified when we upload more videos like this. It was good talking to y'all today. It's my little excitement for the day. After this, you know, that's it. I'm probably eat a piece of watermelon, my boo brought, and that's about it.
Fire stick came in, so you know, you
My
good.
fire stick came in. So he'll hook it up for me. Also, comment some movies that's good movies. If y'all watching this today. Until next time, y'all be safe, be blessed, wash your hands, and Green Family see you. Peace out.
Peace.
Peace.